See, volatility and markets are synonymous, and volatility is the lifeline of the market. Volatility is one which is always gives life to the market for traders, investors, everybody. Okay, so it is like the waves in the ocean. You can't avoid it. You have to swim through it if you want to be in the market. And is the trend going to be continued in 2025 too? This trend I can share only based on technicals. If we close we are very close to 200-day moving average, which is 23,847, and above that is the 20-day moving average, 24,315. So if we stay above 24,315, 23,847, and let's keep it as 24,000. If we stay above 24,000, and we are very strong, about 20,000, 24,315, we can say that we'll be much more stronger. So market looks interesting, but it does not show. It looks very tired. It is not showing weakness because the best time for it to fall is December, but it is not showing that sign. But maybe we are very close to some support levels. So from here, the probability probability of going up is relatively higher than going down. That's, as I mentioned, that level is 23,847, 200-day moving average is floating around that level, and 24 is 315 is the 20-day moving average. If we close above that, we'll become stronger. And most importantly, when we close the year, there will be a yearly closing price. A very, very simple technical is if we trade above the yearly closing price, that the closing of 31st December, if we close about 31st December close by January end, we can say we have to jump into the dance floor. It will become bullish. You can't be a spectator after that. So that is one part. Sectors heavily affected. See, auto, energy, commodities, CPSC, infra, PSU bank, they're all weak. Energy, metal, they're all weak relatively because though they are given positive returns for the full year, but they're all trading below 200-day moving average in a big way, most of them, and showing little relative weakness. Sectors showing strength are bank. Bank Nifty is very strong. Consumption is strong. Financial service is strong. Nifty IT is very strong. Pharma is strong. Realty is strong. So these guys are stronger. But the thing is, if you say if any of the sectors are weak, if they grow, if they go up, then probably the index will go up. So that's what is the thing about sectors. Overall market view means like Nifty has given 1 year 10% returns. Last year is 31%. This year it's 10%. So average in the index average, historical average is 16. So this year is given 10. So it is below the mean. So there's a high probability it will go above the mean next year. There's a probability is there. And if you take a bank, this is given 1 year return is 7%. Last 2 years is 20%. Nifty mid cap has given 25%. Nifty small cap has given 25%. If you take Nifty's mid cap 100, last 2 years 84%. Small cap 96%. So these small and mid cap are looking stronger because of the nature of the beast. And overall, even though auto is given 27% for the full year, but chart wise it is weak. I think auto is the cycle is changed. I think we'll have to check the monthly sales data. If the trend keeps going down, then we can look at like maybe they've gone from the best, or they're getting into a cyclical mode, getting into the usual reversal cycle. So that way, so that's the overall view of 2025. As I said, if you stay above 24,000 end of January, 24,300 end of January, or the close of 31st December is very important. Just like a daily close is important for the next day, yearly close technically is very, very important. So if you close above the 31st December close for any sector, any stock on 1st of February or 31st January, we can say that sector, the stock or can be bullish. So this is what it is. And but the thing is, if you're a long-term investor, if you stay in quality stocks, you still get good returns. And I wish you all the best for the next year. Thank you.
மியூச்சுவல் ஃபண்ட்ஸ்ல முதலீடு பண்ணுங்க. மாசம் எஸ்ஐபி போடுங்க. எஸ்டபிள்யூபில நிறைய ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்றதை கேட்டு குழம்பி போயிருக்கீங்களா? இனிமேல் அந்த கவலையை விடுங்க. பொருளாதாரம் சம்பந்தமான உங்களோட சந்தேகங்கள் எல்லாத்தையும் ஈடி தமிழ் ஆஃபீஸ்க்கே நேரடியா வந்து எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட கேட்க முடியும். அதுக்கு நீங்க செய்ய வேண்டியதெல்லாம் உங்களோட பெயர் மற்றும் கான்டாக்ட் நம்பரை ஸ்கிரீன்ல தெரியுற இந்த நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க. நாங்க உங்களை நேரடியா தொடர்பு கொண்டு மற்ற விவரங்கள் எல்லாம் சொல்லுவோம். உங்க சந்தேகங்களை உங்களுக்கு ஃபேவரட்டான எக்ஸ்பர்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட கேட்கிற இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டியை மிஸ் பண்ணிடாதீங்க.
மேலும் ஈடி தமிழ் சேனல்ல வரப்போகும் பிசினஸ் மற்றும் அது ரிலேட்டடான வீடியோவை பார்க்க உடனே கீழே இருக்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.